like. Don't this like a chicken or a turkey or a rooster or something like that? Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're jumping into today's video. So first I'm going in with a comb, and I'm just parting out a nice section for me to go ahead and do this bang. And I didn't part out a really thick section because I didn't want my bang to be too full. I really wanted something kind of wispy and on the natural side, so this was like fairly thin amount of parting. But you'll just see me going in, and I'm just creating this half moon type of crescent shape for my bang area. And as you guys can see, like, this is not a lot of hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and braid that up and get that out of the way for when I do the rest of the styling to everything else. So now I'm going to go in with my Kendra's Boutique hot comb. I hope you guys heard that, Kendra's Boutique hot comb. I get like a lot of comments asking, you know, where's the hot comb from? It's from Kendra's Boutique. So I'm just going in with my hot comb to just go ahead and smooth everything out and just upward, because this style will be going into a little top knot. So I'm just going in and smoothing everything out, and I'll go in with my Got2b spray to just go ahead and just comb everything up and just kind of tame those flyaways and try to make everything lie down. Now, to press out this unit, I did take some of my ORS hair care and I just massaged it all into the hair before I went in to press it out. And now you can just see me taking my flat irons and my comb. And make sure you use a carbon comb so it doesn't melt when using the comb and chase method. And I'm just flat ironing this hair to just make sure everything is nice and straight before I go in and cut it to the desired style. Now, as you can see, I did have this hair going from the blonde to the ginger to a darker color because I originally did a different coloring on this unit. However, I didn't like that, so I did this one, and then I realized I wanted to cut it. This wig actually came from Supernova Hair, and it was just a simple blonde unit. It was really soft and silky, and it took to the dye well too. I really enjoyed working with this unit as far as color and everything else goes. I would definitely work with this company again in the near future. But so I'm just going in with my scissors and just cutting off those dark ends because I kind of wasn't feeling it and I just really wanted something a bit darker. So when I pop my head in and out and y'all see like my little naps in my kitchen, just act like y'all don't see it. So now I'm just finishing this ponytail. I'm just kind of sleeking everything up, and I'll just go over it a few times with like my comb and product to just make sure everything is nice and neat. And then I'll just take some rubber bands to just go ahead and secure this ponytail. And as you guys can see, I have the bang, you know, away from the hair, and then I also have, you know, the sides and everything down. So I'm just really working on this ponytail only. And as you guys see, I did take some spritz to just go ahead and help lay everything down as well. Now for this bun, it is a bit tricky because I didn't do the initial bun that I showed you guys on a video. So I kind of made it up in my head like my little bun style, but it's sort of like tying a knot. I just kind of looped the hair around my hands and then just pulled it through the knot. Hence why later on in the video you guys will see like it tends to loosen up a bit and it's like a bit floppy, but I really like the messy type of edgy look and feel to it. So yeah, like this is me just trying out the bun technique. It's a little top knot. I was gonna do like a little top knot ninja bun, but I like originally did not like it. It just wasn't working out for me. So I did go ahead later on, like I said, and switch up the bun. Even though that kind of look kind of cute right here, kind of shook. See, it don't stay like that. But yeah, so I like it did end up changing the bun. So now I'm gonna go in and cut my bang. As you guys can see, I'm taking it between my two fingers and then I just kind of flipped it around. That way when I cut it, it has like a kind of arc type of shape to it, and I just cut it across. And then that like isn't anything final. So now I'm going in and just point cutting with my scissors to just break up that line. I don't want anything that's going to be too blunt because I don't want like a Chinese bang. I really want a fringe bang. But I'm just going in and point cutting, and I'm just kind of making the hair shorter and shorter because I ideally would like to cut it longer so that I can go back in and cut it shorter. And then even once the unit is on my face, I may go in and cut it shorter if need be. But you should have like a final look, something similar to this. It's like really, messy and edgy and kind of like a fringe bang. What's up? What's up? So back to this install. So now I'm taking my bold hold glue and I have all my edges. So let's be clear about that. This is just a little trick I use when I'm like wearing my lace. Don't think I don't got no edges. I just put some makeup on top of it. So I'm just taking my boho active and just going in with a nice generous layer of this. And y'all know like I hate gluing down my cap. So like my cap is not glued down. This is just like a little trick I use, which I may like go in depth and show y'all and tell y'all about that in a different video. If y'all want to see like how I do that trick, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And I don't want to hear nobody say nothing about my edges coming out because here I am, and this video was like, I filmed this I don't know how long ago, and my edges are still here. This boho, don't take out your edges like at all, period. But yeah, I'm just taking my comb and just smoothing that glue back, and I think I went in with 2 layers of this. You just wait for it to turn clear before you put down your unit. And here we are, all clear. And I'm just taking this unit and I'm just pushing it down into the lace, as you can see. And I'm just kind of like eyeballing it. It was kind of hard to see because I was literally looking at my viewfinder and then I had bangs in my face, so you'll see me like kind of adjusting it and whatnot. But pretty much after like I go in with like this and have everything positioned, we good to go. And then this is just the same old technique I do with my rat tail comb, except I was a bit more gentle here because I did have that middle part kind of, swooped up, but it just didn't even make sense anyways because I kind of messed it up with that. But you guys can see like it's a little frizzy. So I don't know if I went in and fixed that because I did this video, like I filmed this video like a few weeks ago. But yeah, I just went in with my comb to just go ahead and comb it down into the glue, and here I am back, and it's kind of cute. Ooh, I like it pulled up like this. But yeah, I'm just doing my same techniques so I have in other videos. I'm just cutting up the middle with scissors and using my eyebrow razor, going up and down to just go ahead and cut off that excess lace. And now I'm taking my scissors and just cutting off the excess pieces of lace as well. I usually like to do this with a smaller scissor. However, I couldn't find my smaller scissors. You guys bear with me like while my videos are like this. I just think they ghetto. But they're gonna get better because I'm like so excited to have my YouTube room and everything. So yeah, and let me show you guys the final look. I love it. It's so cute despite the fact that my hair burnt over here. So I may have to just take this pony down and just wear it all down. But I love it. Other than that, it's so pretty and different. And me, I'm mad I just thought about this out of the blue for this. This would have been like cute for like, I feel like a Spice Girl mixed with like Little Kim, mixed with like Ronnie from Players Club. Period. Like, I wish I would have thought about this to do for like a photo shoot or a hair shoot. Who's to say I can't still do it? I'm playing with this bang. Cause this bang in my lashes don't want to get long. But yes, I love it. But I'm probably finna go off camera and take this ponytail down and do it straight, and then I'll be back. Here, I ain't coming back with no middle part, cause I just forgot I sprayed this with so much product and wax stick and stuff like that to get the top to lay down real nice how I needed it to. So this is the final look. Period. This is like real assassin. Period. I wish I didn't have to keep pulling my bun apart. It would be so cute like that. But thank you guys so much for watching this crazy look. Ooh, that's cute too. Period. That bitch. Hold on, let me see. That's cute. So I like that. Yes, but thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I hope you learned some little tips and tricks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and then if you want to see me do something on this channel, definitely let me know in the comments below what you want me to do, sis. Period. Like, I'm trying to see what y'all want to see, like what y'all want me to do on this channel, because I just can't keep thinking of stuff out the box, because it's gonna end up like this. Like, don't just like a chicken or a turkey or a rooster or something like that. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.